Tree down today. See what it looks like when it's finished. They're going to stump grind the bottom of this. Hopefully they're going to get rid of all that, but we shall see. The trouble is they've got loads of telephone wires and internet cables to get around. But they're professionals, they'll do it. Right, I'll get back to you in about half an hour, guys. A bit of progress report. There you go, guys. They've been at it about half an hour, 40 minutes. And it's nearly done. Not long. This has cost 870 quid, guys. I'll get the name of the company. It's an Essex-based company, so... yeah.
Called King's Cut.
King's Cut, there you go.
It's on the van.
Oh, of course it is, yeah. There's the van, guys. Zoom in. I'm more interested to see how they get on with the stump of that though, Don. Grinding it out. Got to be fit though, ain't you, to do this?
Yeah, running up and down them trees.
Yeah. It's like he got him up there with the ladder and he just took the ladder away and he said no, he won't come down there until it's all down. You know what I mean? I mean me, I'd want to come down and have a break, you know what I mean? Wouldn't be able to do that. You're doing a good job, lads. Keep it up. And there you go, guys, an hour they've been at this and it's nearly down. So the next bit is the bottom, which I'm more interested in with the grinder, see how that comes out. But yeah, they don't hang about. No one's got hurt, thank God. If it was me and you, mate, we'd be still at the top doing one. Yeah. Well, you just couldn't do it, Don. We're too old. One tiny little chainsaw that has done all that. Tiny little thing. See it? Look, that chainsaw, tiny. Size of it. You've all got to put in, because I've saved on your lease. You've all got to chip in and help us out.
How long's that going to take?
That's it, it's done, isn't it, really?
Oh, I thought it was like it's proper like...
No, it's coming down to, see like the lowest one cut there, it's all coming down to there. But he reckons it'll grow all back, so... What do you care, you're moving?
Right, I'll see you later.
See you later, mate. Just taking off a little bit at a time, keeping it nice and safe. They haven't damaged the wires. Happy. Because if you lose the Wi-Fi, you're not happy. You know what I mean? It's like you can't live without your phone, you can't live without your Wi-Fi, can you? Nah. We're going to go with that community one, like the community Wi-Fi.
Alright, so it's good, is it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a lot cheaper, twice as fast on.
What, the Virgin?
Well, like, look at your things, like what readings you get off of it. I think we're at get 150. I don't understand it all, Don, but we're going to go for one where you get 900.
What, megabytes?
I don't know, upload and download.
I've got no idea, mate.
Yeah, so we're going to go with that.
What's it, gigabyte? I don't even know what.
Yeah.
All I know, it works.
Yeah, but this is
How
supposed
much
to be...
they charging for it then?
It's going to be probably about the same, but 3 times faster.
Yeah.
And don't forget, where I'm doing a lot of editing and stuff, like it's, you know, it does me edit. Even though it don't take that long, if I have to wait 10 minutes for something to download, if it goes through in 2 or 3 minutes, I'll be happy. You know what I mean?
Mine, I'll be honest with you, I've used Virgin for years and I've been fasted. They've
Yeah,
been really
you've been
good.
happy with it. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with mine. Anyway, talk. It's been alright.
I do a lot of obviously the home automation stuff. It's backwards and forwards stuff all the time.
Yeah.
Like you know, like controlling stuff in the house, and then you've got the stuff that you've what do you call it? The CCTV. You've got to have a good. You've got to have good internet to watch the CCTV.
All right. Yeah.
Oh,
He's done it. He's just got to get that top bit off and then just feed it down and done. There you go. That's how high it's going. That's lovely there. That's the right height. Lovely. Can I have it an inch smaller?
I'll tell you what I might have to do. I might have to go and get a
Jack!
Wind
him up.
I might have to go and get
It's not quite right, mate.
Do I level this back off again?
Hey?
Do you reckon I should level this off?
No, it's not. It's fine, isn't it? Like you say, if you're not staying here. Did I show you that where I nearly hit Dexter with the pickaxe handle? Did you see it?
No. I watched one this morning where that was where you're doing moving the bricks over.
Yeah.
I was going to do zzz, you know, that small falling asleep one.
Ha.
The one where you got Paula moving the bricks for you.
Yeah.
Cleaning them up or something.
Oh, that's done shit, that video. It's only got 57 views. So that don't work with her arse sticking up. What more do they want? A bit of cleavage. Oh, so he leaves that bit up there, and then when he cuts it, he just takes it off the top there. Look, he's just, that's it then, isn't it? This is it, last little bit for that bit anyway.
So it was only a small little
Hey?
It was only a small little thing.
Yeah, tiny, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, see, that's where he grabs his
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
harness, safety harness stuff.
See, that's the thing, like, when you're doing it, you wouldn't have all that, would you? Just be, like, hanging on for, like...
Yeah.
Whereas, like, they know all the tricks of the trade, don't they? Yeah.
No more.
That's it, he's done it, hasn't he? About another 4 or 5 cuts on that big one going up there, Don, and that's it. Can you imagine how much your calf could be hurting now, burning? You know what I mean? Because when you're balancing like on things, your calves go, don't they? Do you know what though? Like, I mean, they've both got it hard, haven't they? Like, he's up there doing that, but imagine having to shift and all that, Don. That's graft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, he cuts that just about right, and then he just, you know, And it's all been checked, guys. It's they've checked it with the council. It's protected. It's not protected. It's a lime tree, and it says it'll grow back. So that's what we was worried about. But happy days. Boom. Right, I'm going to shoot off. Yeah. And there you go, guys. That's all that tree gone. No, I've been doing little 5-minute snippets, you know what I mean?
some people they put the old time. What's it called? The you know when they do it all day.
Yeah. Yeah, what do they call it? Fast.
Time lapse?
Yeah, time lapse.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they do that. They send it to us. It's great.
Yeah.
You can send this to us if you like.
No, well, it'd be on YouTube, wouldn't it? So just go and have a look. You wouldn't think that tree is there.
Imagine stacking it.
And there you go, guys. It's done. Well done.
It's just saying, Jack, how easy it is for you and how hard it is for me.
I was saying I don't know who's got the worst job. What would you prefer to do, Rob?
What would I prefer to do?
No, Rob. Like,
I'm Rob. That's Jack.
oh, right, yeah, Rob. What would you prefer, Jack? Do you prefer doing that or doing this?
I don't know, I suppose climbing, but it's much of a much, really.
Yeah.
In the front garden, I'm soon a grand. If it's in the back garden, that's fine.
Yeah, Rob, give him 10 years, he won't say that, mate. Well, cheers, lads. You've done a good job there.
No, thank you. Not too much sugar in the tea now.
2 sugars, yeah? Coming up, mate. Right, there you go, guys. They're going to start tackling the bottom of this now. Oh, look at that, lovely.
That's the main tree there. Yeah. Maybe get that bit with a saw.
Yeah.
This ain't going right.
Still might be able to call me.
Yeah? If I come from the side.
We'll trim our road round it.
Yeah. Like a rock in it.
Yeah, I've found a few of them.
I'll come in from this side.
Yeah, there's a tree there. Oh yeah. I reckon if you can grind into about that sort of level, then I'll go around tidying up these cuts afterwards.
What, come in here?
Yeah.
This section. Right, just move this one of these over.
Well, it's making mincemeat of this, guys. That's a bit of kit, that is. That's it, guys, all done. Look at that. Short work of that. There they are, the A-team.
That's enough job done for King's Cuts.
Off to the next one.
Yep.
Up you go then.
That's